Here at Obsessed Garage, we recently made the switch from CarPro's Deluxe and Gliss to Armour wheel coating for our wheel coating we recommend. Now, we thought it made sense to make a video explaining what's the difference between the old coatings in this one and why we like this one more. The first and biggest difference is that this is a single layer coating. So whereas before you had to do Deluxe and Gliss, now you only have to apply one layer of one coating, effectively cutting your time in half. Now, just because this is a one layer coating, don't expect it to have any less performance than those other two. We found that it actually beads and protects just as much, if not more, than Deluxe and Gliss combined. Armour coating specifically has a much higher solid content in it, which basically means it has more of those SiO2 heat rejecting chemicals in it, so it's effectively a more concentrated or a more dense coating, so that means it should last longer, it should have more hydrophobic capabilities. That being said, with those higher solid contents, it is a little bit more grabby, so when you're wiping it off, you'll find that it tends to grab the towel a little bit more, but that's not entirely a bad thing. We actually found that it's easier to remove it and see where you haven't removed it because it's a little more grabby. We would recommend applying this in 2 separate sessions, so doing the front faces of your wheels and then doing the barrels in the back of the spokes second. That way you can make sure you get all of it off and you don't have to go back and touch up any high spots. And there you have it. That's why we made the switch. We think you're really going to enjoy this coating. Hopefully it'll encourage you to maybe coat your wheels if you were a little bit hesitant because of the 2 coatings. You can get this and all the accessories you need in our store at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions about this coating or coatings in general, let us know in the comments or directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.